Just in case you are a mechanically challenged dork like I am, who has never seen a coffee maker in a hotel like this before, I'm going to show you how to use it. First I looked at it and thought, okay, there's coffee pots, there's a coffee maker. Where is the darn carafe? And then I read the instructions. Turn over and read, Sheila. And inside we have a disposable brew basket. Insert brew basket. Step 2 accomplished. Now it said fill cup with water and pour in. Place cup underneath, ta-da, and press button. Button pressed, it says that light will go off when coffee's ready. I learned something new today.